Oh my gosh, I swear I had goosebumps. Hey guys, this is Redge. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are gonna unbox this Muttus M12X Pro Leafless hair dryer. Leafless hair dryer, which means it blows out negative ions, which makes your hair dry faster and damage free. So you can see my hair is kind of wet, so I'm gonna try to use it. So let's unbox this first. Supersonic Leafless hair dryer, 1500 watts. What color is this? I'm so excited to open. Whoa! So it comes with a travel pouch. Whenever you travel, you get to bring this with you. It's a velvet cloth, which makes it so classy. So this is what you get inside. They have 3 sets of nozzles. This is the smooth nozzle. This is the modeling nozzle, and this is the diffuser. This is for my hair. This is a diffuser. So they have 2.7 meters of cable. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so classy. This color is like metallic, and you have a bit of rose gold there. So as you can see, it has a similar concept with the Dyson, but I think this is lighter. Yeah, it's so light. And this is the air filter. How do you? Oh, cool! Just one click. I love the color. It's so classy. This hair dryer is born for beauty. That's the on and off button. This is the temperature control, and this is the air volume control. Oh, it has a 360 magnet nozzle, so as easy as that. So I'm just gonna prep my hair with some Curly Girl approved products, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with my CGM products in my hair. Let's check out this beaut. Turn it on. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I swear I had goosebumps. Gosh, I had goosebumps because this is so silent. Really? I swear! You can still hear me. I am literally blowing this in my camera, and I think you can hear me, right? And this is the first setting. Let me check the second one. Okay. And the third. Oh my gosh! Everything sounds the same, even the first setting. This is a salon gorgeous level blow dryer. You know what? I can bring this to the salon and let them use this instead of theirs. The benefits of this is fast drying and controlled styling. But this also protects hair from extreme heat. So let's try it out on my hair. Oh. All I can say is oh. And it's so light, I swear, it's so light. See? I'm gonna use the lowest setting and the diffuser. So let's go. I'm gonna section it like that and blow dry it. So this hair dryer has high-speed turbo fan, which makes it easier to dry your hair. That's what I keep on telling you before. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is a bomb. Oh, this is ultra quiet and designed with 65 noise emissions. That's why it's so silent. Oh my gosh. You won't see that it's dry because I put gel in it, but wait until I scrunch it. When I say scrunching, it's like doing like that to your hair. It applies to all curlies like me. See, this is the lowest setting, but it's already dry. It already formed upward, so let me put it again. Not touching my hair, I'm just putting it there. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So you can buy this for $329. I will put the link below on where to get it. www.muttus.com. So it's $329, which is 16,000 here in the Philippines. So this is way cheaper than the Dyson Supersonic, and it's so handy. So I'm gonna continue it. I can even put it in my lap because it's not that hot. Even if you turn it on or turn it off. So classy. Whoa! Look at those curls. Look at those curls. It's not fully dried yet, but look at those curls they gave me. This is a holy grail. Thank you so much for inventing this. This is the best at home blowout dryer ever. So I'm gonna continue to dry my hair and I will update you in a bit. Another thing I like about this product is it locked in moisture. As you can see, my hair is curly. Usually curly hairs are a bit dry, but as you can see, when I used it, it locked in the moisture and it increased the smoothness and the shine. So yeah, I totally recommend buying this product. So if you're curious where I got this, I'm gonna put in the description link below. This is a holy grail. My hair dried up easily, which is not the usual thing because it's thick and it's curly and it's very silent. I think even if my husband is sleeping and I'm gonna use this, he won't be able to wake up because there's no noise. There is, but it's very minimal. So benefits of this is fast drying, controlled styling, leaving your strands less prone to tangles. As I've told you, it locks in moisture and it protects hair from extreme heat. So it also decreases frizz and flyaway by up to 61%. This is the best blower for 2021. Champion. I think I'm gonna bring this everywhere with me because, you know, curly girl problems, and this is the solution. This is what my hair turned out. It's so smooth and I love it. I hope this video was informative. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you!